In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion effectively for school, turning it into your ultimate academic weapon. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you organize your schoolwork, assignments, and study schedules seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to Notion. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the Notion website, or you can launch the desktop app if you have it installed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Notion dashboard. This is your central hub where all your pages and projects will live. Now, direct your attention to the top of your screen. You'll notice a small arrow icon. This arrow is your gateway to accessing additional options, so go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu that contains several features that Notion offers. Next, you'll want to locate and select the Templates option from this menu. Templates are pre-made setups that can help you kickstart your organization efforts without having to start from scratch. With the Templates page open, you'll see a search bar. In this bar, type the word study. This will filter the available templates to those most suited for academic purposes, helping you find exactly what you need without any extra hassle. After you've typed in study, look for the See All option and click on it. This will display a comprehensive list of all the study-related templates available to you. Here, you can browse through various templates, each offering unique features tailored for different aspects of schoolwork. Once you've found a template that you think will fit your needs, go ahead and select it. On the template page, you should see an Add button. Clicking on this will allow you to incorporate the template into your Notion workspace. The next step is to decide where you'd like to add your selected template. For personal study schedules, it's usually best to choose Add to Private, ensuring that it's immediately accessible whenever you need it. This also keeps your study resources organized and private. Now that your template is added, you can click on See Template to view and begin customizing it. This is your chance to tailor it specifically to your classes, assignments, and studying methods. You can adjust the layout, add tasks, set deadlines, and even incorporate reminders so that nothing slips through the cracks. By following these steps, you've set yourself up with a powerful tool to handle your academic workload. Notion's flexibility and customizability can truly make a difference in handling your school responsibilities effectively. Hopefully, with this guide, you've found a way to streamline your study process and make your educational experience smoother and more efficient. Happy studying, and may Notion be the academic weapon you need.